Yeah, it's hard to say goodbye to people you love, and especially your best friend. And sometimes friends and best friends are your lovers too, so the passings of life won't leave you untouched. It's hard. I used to breathe the life of you, now I am left with the ghost of you. Where there was a home now, there's only my loneliness. I used to breathe the ghost of you, now I am left with the life of you. Where there once was a home now, there's only my loneliness. The tears that I should have cried will keep on hurting me deep inside, endlessly. It breaks my heart so badly, and I'll always be missing you. When I see a bird in the sky, I wanna fly away. You in the falling rain, I want to fly away. You, should the sun never shine again, should the sun never shine. You want to hold you, my man. Oh, a sun that never shines. I'm your greatest fan. Your face is white, white like death, not life. This old photograph of you, the worn hoods and t-shirts too. The cat won't eat, it won't sleep, there's only my loneliness. This old black t-shirt of you, the worn pictures and hoods too. The cat won't eat, it won't sleep, there's only my loneliness. Can't keep my hands off your skin, want to brush my fingers through your hair.